Hello folks, welcome to another episode of our Sora AI course. Well, in this episode, what we're going to talk about is still advertising, but with more focus on TikTok and Instagram. Well, when it comes to these social media outlets, there are several things that you need to care about. First is you need to change the ratio, right? To the right one. The second thing is, if you want to have an easier thing to do and not have to explain every time, create a preset. If you don't know what a preset is, watch the previous episodes. In one episode, we explained it comprehensively. You can have access to it easily. Well, in order for you to have an easier job, we're going to use a preset. If you don't know what a preset is, we've already explained it comprehensively in the previous episodes. So we've written something like this to see the best results for advertisement on Instagram and TikTok. Let me just put it back there. Well, now, it should be eye-catching, fast-paced, bright, gradients, neon accents, pink, vibrant yellows. The film stock should be clean, digital with high contrast, sharp and crispy image. Exactly. In this prompt, all the characteristics, the necessary characteristics of having an excellent advertising video is there. I'm going to pause a bit. If you want, take a screenshot to be able to use the same preset. It is great. It is absolutely amazing. So I just created this preset. Right. Let me just save it. Right. Now, let's go for an advertising video. I've already written a prompt here. So it's a fitness app showing a person doing an intense workout. It should be dynamic. And the app's logo must appear too. I'm gonna clean this, and then after that use an editing tool to add it, because we don't want to mess it up, right? So a quick call to action, download now. And of course, something else. For advertisement, try to use higher resolutions. Even use other AIs for upscaling and increasing the resolution, okay? It is very important. Of course, this higher resolutions is only available in Pro mode that costs you $200. The Pro actually is not necessary right now. It's not that different. It is different. It gives you options, definitely. But for now, you can handle what you want to do using this. So we choose the preset and then well, now this is the video. Well, first of all, it's got some spelling problems, mistakes. You know, it's best that if you want to type a text or something, it's best that you read it yourself. Don't get it done by the AI, because it will have problems, but it's not bad actually. The good thing is it looks like a phone, a mobile phone. You see that? The bottom of it. It's not bad. Now, if we want to use this on TikTok, it's going to be even much better. But I don't know if it's going to be if it's possible to turn it into a loop because of the text. Let's see what it does. Well, it cannot be, it says it can't be more than 5 seconds. So let's see. Oh my god. Short. Yes. Let's see if it can turn into a loop even though we have a text at the end of it or not. I told you for social media, if you want to create advertising videos, you might want to use this option, the loop option. So let's see what it does. Well, these two were created, and the ending, both the beginning and the end of the video are like that. You see it? Well, now such a video, if you want to create such a video, you might know how difficult it is to set up. And you can just use Remix, you can use other options, storyboards, in order to have a better advertising video. Let's also do something. Let's create something using the storyboard. Now here we've got a prompt. Show a close-up shot of an organic sinker bottle on a marble countertop surrounded with butter fresh ingredients. Soft natural sunlight filters through a window. Pure, natural, simple. Let's just delete this. I told you, don't just have texts, okay? Add text using other pieces of software. So, a woman applying the skincare and all the rest. Well, I told you that it's better to use the HD resolution. But if you want to go for 10 seconds, we have to go with a lower resolution because 5 is not enough. 5 seconds are not enough. You just have to do it now. So we wait. Let's see what it does. Well, this is the result of that prompt. And we see that. Well, this is the result of that prompt. And as you see, it is absolutely great and splendid. Oh my god. It looks so damn real now, doesn't it? Let's go with variation 2. So let's go with the loop. Absolutely suitable for advertising videos. On social media and on social media. Click on loop and see. Let's see the result. Well, let's check it out. Absolutely amazing. Something like that, which is great. It is. So, as you saw, we can have different uses in order to make a video like this. And one of the most interesting ones can be for the sake of creating advertising videos. That's it. Have a very good day.